Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where NVIDIA Control Panel display settings are missing or not showing on your PC. As you can see here, when you open the NVIDIA Control Panel, a lot of display options may be missing from the left-hand menu. This can happen on both desktops and laptops, but don't worry. There are several ways to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Services, then click on it. Once the Services window opens, scroll down until you find the NVIDIA services. You should see 3 NVIDIA-related services. Double-click the first one. Make sure Startup type is set to Automatic. Service status is set to Running. If it's not running, click Start, then click Apply and OK. Repeat these same steps for the other 2 NVIDIA services. Set Startup type to Automatic. Make sure the service is running. Click Apply and OK. After that, right-click each NVIDIA service and select Restart. Once done, close the Services window. Solution 2. Now open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Click the arrow next to Display Adapters. Make sure your NVIDIA graphics card appears here. Right-click your NVIDIA GPU and check that Enable Device is available. If you see Disable Device, that means your GPU is already enabled, which is good. After confirming this, go back to the NVIDIA Control Panel and check if the missing display settings are now visible. Solution 3. If you're using a desktop PC and the issue is still happening, make sure your monitor cable is connected to the graphics card, not the motherboard. This is very important. If the display cable is plugged into the motherboard, NVIDIA display settings will not appear. Solution 4. If you're on a laptop, right-click anywhere on your desktop. Click Show More Options, then select NVIDIA Control Panel. On the left side, click Manage 3D Settings. Make sure High Performance NVIDIA Processor is selected. If you see an option called Manage Display Mode, set it to NVIDIA GPU only. Once done, click Apply. Final step, restart your computer. After restarting, open the NVIDIA Control Panel again, and your missing display settings should now be restored. And that's it. If this video helped you fix missing NVIDIA display settings, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.